Tired of stubborn breakouts? Get ready for clearer, happier skin with the Ordinary the Acne Set, your new 3-step solution. This powerhouse kit starts with a gentle glucoside foaming cleanser, effectively washing away impurities without stripping your skin. Next, the star player, salicylic acid 2% solution, designed to dive deep into pores, tackle blemishes, and reveal a smoother complexion. Finally, lock in that moisture and fortify your skin barrier with natural moisturizing factors, plus beta-glucan, for all-day comfort and protection. Whether you're a teen or an adult battling acne, this regimen is your secret weapon for preventing future breakouts. It's designed to work centric with your skin, not against it, making it perfect even for sensitive types. Ready to transform your skin? Click the Amazon link below to discover the magic of the Ordinary Acne Set. You won't believe the difference a consistent, effective routine can make. This is truly the best skincare investment for acne-prone skin in 2025.